If you are looking for inspiration, check out the following ideas. We have prepared the best Halloween nail art designs for this year. Good evening, everyone. Hope you people like my ideas. Share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Halloween nail ideas you will actually want to wear. From my video, you get different ideas. Spider webs look great painted on stylistic nails with a matte finish. It's a gothic and the glam nail design at the Halloween festival. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. There are many best Halloween nail colors to try, some of which are given in this video. Red nail polish. You can't go wrong with red nail polish. Black nail polish, green nail polish, orange nail polish, purple nail polish, blue nail polish, metallic nail polish, and many more. Hope you guys get different ideas from my video for the Halloween festival. Please share my YouTube channel and the press icon for the latest update. I am going to apply the two large dots near the center of my nail, and then I am going to use this 5 mm liner brush from Nicole Terre to draw vertical line straight down to these dots, and we get blood drip nails. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. How we can draw the vampire nails? Using Rhapsody Red, I am going to apply it to the tip of the nail. Now I will dipping a brush into 100% acetone and then lightly painting and dragging the red polish, and we get vampire nails. As you can see in my video, I am giving you different ideas for the Halloween festival. Thank you.